Letter number 11. Zai.
再见永远
Also called Zain, but the right way to call it is Zai, pronounced like the letter Z, which is also called Z. So the Z of both languages have two names. And by the way, it's pronounced the same in both Fusha and slang. No other way to pronounce it. Now it also looks like an arm, only with a dot above it. So it looks like Ra, but with a dot above. Let's form a word. Aruz, which means rice. Here we used Aleph, the first letter of the alphabet, with both arms, Ar, Ra, and Zai. In many accents, especially in the Egyptian, Jordanian, Palestinian, and many other Arabic accents, rice is called ruz. Here the Aleph is omitted, and we have both arms alone. Ruz. Now if they switch places, like so, you get the word zir, which means button. Not the belly button, but for example, like a shirt's button. Which makes sense. I mean, I'm not a dietitian, but rice is full of carbs. A lot of carbs leads to a big belly, which might cause a button or buttons to pop in your shirt.
Eating. Lots his shirt button popped off.
So eating a lot of ruz will make you lose a zir. Remember, connect stuff together to memorize better. So you do the same. Practice Zai. Along with the previous letters you learned so far. You can also practice by trying to locate the letters you learned so far in any Arabic text that you can get your hands on. It's better if you can locate words that contain the letters that you learned so far. You can then look them up either by Googling them or using Google Translate or by asking me if you like. If you have any questions, comment away. I'll see you in the next video.